Looking for a handheld digital multimeters? Our electrical appliance experts bought and tested the top 7 best handheld digital multimeters available in 2021 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect digital multimeters for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 7 on our list, we have the Astro I digital multimeter. The Astro I multimeter is a digital multimeter. This multimeter provides a comprehensive range of measuring capabilities, including voltage, resistance, current, capacitance, continuity, frequency, and much more, with 6,000 true RMS counts. Its test slots may contain and aid in the validation of diodes and transistors. The multimeter, like most of the other instruments on the list, has auto-ranging capabilities and can measure both AC current and voltage. It includes a big backlit LCD and data storage capabilities. It doesn't have a power button and turns on and off automatically when it's not in use. The kickstand and the hanging magnet are fantastic storage features that make the measurement procedure more easier. Designed for professional use. Built for professional usage, the multimeter is heavy-duty, and the built-in F400 mA 600 volts and F10A 600V explosion-proof ceramic fuse tubes offer better protection and more security and overall reliability. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 6 on our list, we have the Crenova 3320 auto-ranging digital multimeter. Crenova 3320 is a well-known kit for electricians or home mechanics who can diagnose the car batteries or wiring. Crenova company has been designing multimeters for automation industry over the years. Of all the multimeters, 3320 model is the best digital meter for home and is the reason for listing in the top. This brilliant kit comes with an inductive clamp and temperature measuring probe so as to check the engine's condition. To display the measured values, R, V, I, it uses color-coded LEDs and features the high-end LED display. The brightness of the LEDs intimates you about the battery life of the device. It can even measure resistance to a range of 10 ohm. An instruction manual offers guidance to the users with simple instructions in English and French languages. At number 5 on our list, we have the Kweets digital multimeter. With its 6,000 true RMS counts auto-ranging, this Kweets multimeter has wide range of applications for accurate measurement of AC/DC current, AC/DC voltage, frequency, resistance, capacitance, and diode, battery checking, continuity, wire on-off, duty cycle, and liquid temperature. It is an advanced tester that used widely for diagnosing industrial, automotive, and household electrical issue. ITS 2.93 LCD backlight display that has dual readings with bar graph. It is a versatile multifunctional like non-contact voltage testing, live function with sound and light alarm, date retention, low battery indicator, auto power off, max-min data, and auto ranging. This digital multimeter is heavy-duty and built-in IEC-rated Cat 3 1000V, Cat IV 600V, C, RoHS certified. Anti-burn design with high-voltage protection on all ranges. It is a double-insulated unit with silicone protective case to make it last longer. It is backed up with 3 years warranty with after-sales service and lifetime technical support. At number 4 on our list, we have the Klein Tools 69149 electrical test kit. The Klein 69149 toolkit is considered as entry-level multimeter. When tested, it has special features and accuracy is more compared to the Fluke model kits. It can measure voltages and currents as high as 1000 V and 10 amp. It is one of the best tools that you can buy for solving electrical problems at home or industries. With this equipment, you can measure the current flowing through power supply, motors, other electronic equipment, and domestic appliances. At number 3 on our list, we have the Astro I digital multimeter and diode voltage meter. The Astro digital multimeter was designed safely to unbutton various domestic and automotive problems. It has many features that can function for measuring resistance, current, and voltages. Rubber protective grips are mounted at the edge of a multimeter and stand at the back to hold the multimeter all the time. It also features overload protection, a continuity buzzer, and a low battery indicator. The color-coding LEDs allows you to check the battery's lifespan. It has a single-setting 10 ohm resistance that functions both AC and DC voltages for home and automotive purposes. At number 2 on our list, we have the Atexity MSR500 digital multimeters. This practical toolkit is a good choice for beginners, engineers, and electricians. With this multimeter, you can also test the working of diode and transistor. It is a small-size portable device for measuring the parameters like resistance, voltage, current, and used to assemble, repair, and diagnose the circuits. And finally, at number 1 on our list, we have the Crenova Ms8233D auto ranging multimeters. Crenova is an auto ranging multimeter kit that is widely used in schools, colleges, laboratories, and other sources. It is most prominent among all other multimeter devices of various brands. You can also test the respective parameters on a circuit breaker, distribution boards, and industrial equipment. Auto-ranging multimeter allows you to select the correct measurement range when you deal with various components from electronics to electrical sources. This wonderful device can switch to other functions for performing specific tasks like measuring the readings of resistance, voltage, and current on display unit. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.